In this video, I'll disclose my top 9 proven passive income streams that are genuinely effective, backed by tangible results for each. The beauty of these methods lies in their suitability for the average person. You don't need a substantial upfront investment, and some require none at all. While some are more passive than others, they all possess the capability to generate income while you sleep. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. The first method is creating a paid community. The first method is a powerful and straightforward way to generate passive income by creating a paid community. Drawing from personal experience, I operate my own community where I share online money-making tips, resulting in thousands of dollars in monthly passive income. Recent results from my community show earnings of over £1,100, or approximately $1,300, just yesterday, and a total of £800, or around $1,000, today. Members contribute on a monthly basis, allowing for consistent passive income. Creating a community can cover a wide range of topics, from finance hacks to knitting. Utilizing platforms like Circle, School, or Discord, which is free, facilitates community management. To attract members, consider listing your community on websites like wapp.com, where pricing ranges from $150 to $25 per month. A valuable tip for beginners is to initially offer the community for free, building engagement and credibility. As your community gains traction, gradually increase the subscription fee. Additionally, launching an affiliate program can attract more paying members by offering commissions to existing members who refer new participants. This strategy, which I employ in my community, can also be set up through the platform itself, enhancing your community's growth and passive income potential. The second method is domain parking. Essentially, it involves purchasing expired or misspelled domains and transforming them into passive income generators. Let me illustrate its potency, and then guide you through the optimal approach to kickstarting passive income through this method. Consider the website weather.com, attracting over 1.4 billion monthly visits. Among these visitors, some may inadvertently type variations like we.com, generating around 40,000 monthly visits. The owners of such misspelled domains capitalize on this traffic, reaping significant passive income. Utilizing tools like the Domain Typo Generator by Internet Marketing Ninjas, freely available online, enables you to identify common misspellings and check their availability for purchase. However, exercise caution regarding copyrighted domains to avoid legal issues. Another avenue is tapping into expired domains, often still receiving traffic due to oversight or business closures. Websites like expireddomains.net catalog these domains, presenting opportunities for acquisition. For instance, a domain like tropicsclub.com, garnering 12,000 monthly clicks, could be yours for $40. Monetizing this traffic can be achieved through various methods. One effective strategy is employing search arbitrage adverts, as demonstrated on websites like we.com. These adverts yield revenue per click, typically ranging from $1 to $2. Networks such as Tonic facilitate the placement of these adverts on your park domains, enabling passive income generation. Alternatively, a simpler yet lucrative approach involves redirecting traffic to affiliate links. By redirecting visitors to relevant affiliate offers, you can earn commissions. This method, highlighted in communities like Loaded Lab, has proven effective, with individuals generating substantial passive income, as evidenced by one member's $400 earnings from ClickBank offers in just 3 days. In essence, domain parking presents a straightforward yet potent avenue for passive income generation, offering ample opportunities for those willing to explore it. The third method is affiliate marketing. In case you're unfamiliar, affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote products and earn commissions for referrals. By becoming an affiliate, you will receive a unique referral link. When someone clicks on your link, signs up, and makes a purchase, you earn commissions ranging from 5% to 85%, and sometimes even more. The key to maximizing passive income in affiliate marketing lies in promoting products with recurring revenue models, such as membership sites, website builders, and software subscriptions. When you refer someone to a recurring product like a website builder, you continue to earn commissions every month as long as they remain subscribed. Allow me to offer some evidence of the effectiveness of this approach. One of my top earning products is a website builder called Builderall, which I promoted years ago and still generates passive income to this day. Despite not actively promoting it for over 4 years, it has generated over $350,000 in commissions for me. This steady stream of passive income illustrates the power of promoting products with recurring revenue models. Getting started with affiliate marketing has never been easier, given the abundance of free traffic sources available. Whether you create helpful content or reviews on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or even Medium.com, where you can share affiliate links, opportunities abound to earn passive income. A bonus tip, especially for beginners, is to focus on promoting products with free trials. By directing people to sign up for free trials, the product itself does the selling, eliminating the need for hard-selling tactics on your part. Method number 4. YouTube. Despite requiring initial video creation, YouTube is one of the most powerful passive income streams available. The true power of YouTube lies not only in ad revenue, but also in its ability to feed into other passive income streams, such as brand deals, affiliate marketing, and membership site subscriptions. Despite common misconceptions about YouTube being oversaturated or difficult to grow on, platforms like YouTube Shorts have made it easier than ever to gain traction and generate passive income. With dedication and consistency, anyone can leverage YouTube to create a steady stream of passive income. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 5. Amazon's Influencer Program. This program lets you post simple video reviews of products on Amazon, earning commissions when viewers make purchases after watching your reviews. These videos are straightforward to create. You can film quick reviews using your phone and upload them to Amazon. While I haven't personally tried this side hustle yet, I've seen numerous success stories from others in a group I'm part of. People are making money by filming short videos around their homes, and once uploaded, the income becomes passive. If you're interested in trying it out, search for the Amazon Influencer Program on Google and sign up. Keep in mind that getting approved can be challenging, so I'll include a link to helpful training in case you decide to give it a shot. If creating videos or getting approved seems daunting, don't worry. The next idea might be just what you're looking for: a simple passive. Number 6. Amazon's KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. Leverage Amazon's KDP and sell blank books, such as notebooks or sketchbooks, on Amazon. Unlike traditional publishing, you don't need to be an author to profit from this method. Simply upload a book cover, list it for sale, and when someone purchases it, Amazon prints and ships it, allowing you to earn passive income with minimal effort. However, the market for blank books on Amazon is quite saturated, so to maximize earnings, it's essential to get creative. Instead of generic notebooks, consider targeting specific niches with products like children's coloring books or budget planners. Tools like BookBolt can be incredibly helpful for designing and researching profitable book ideas for Amazon KDP. Overall, while this method requires some initial effort, it has the potential to generate consistent passive income over time. Method number 7. Selling knowledge online. Platforms like Udemy offer a marketplace where you can sell courses on various topics, even if you're not a recognized expert. For instance, someone has created a course on using ChatGPT, a free AI tool, and amassed over 24,000 reviews, likely earning over $250,000 in sales. Similarly, courses on simple tools like Canva or even mundane tasks like cleaning can attract thousands of buyers. This demonstrates that if you possess knowledge or skills in any area, you can create a course and potentially earn passive income from it. Starting on platforms like Udemy allows you to refine your course content and gain credibility. As your sales grow, you can explore selling courses independently on your website, like I do, to increase your earnings further. If you're unsure how to structure your course, tools like ChatGPT can help outline the content, making the process more manageable. While creating a course requires upfront effort, the potential for long-term passive income makes it a worthwhile endeavor. Number 8. Creating and selling digital downloads and printables. These digital products, such as printable PDFs or wall charts, can be easily made by designing templates or tweaking existing ones on platforms like Canva. Once created, you can upload these files to marketplaces like Etsy, where customers can purchase and download them, generating passive income for you. Products like planners are especially popular on Etsy, with some sellers earning over $10,000 from simple designs. However, it's essential to find niches with less saturation to stand out. Tools like Sales Samurai can help identify market gaps and guide product creation. While this method requires some initial effort, the potential for passive income is significant. And number 9 on the list, print on demand. With print on demand, you upload designs to products like mugs or t-shirts, and a printing company handles the printing and shipping when orders come in. This process is largely passive once the designs are uploaded, making it an attractive option for generating passive income. Platforms like Etsy allow you to sell these products, with designs continuing to generate sales even after being uploaded for an extended period. While selling print-on-demand products on Etsy can be competitive, there are untapped methods for beginners to make sales quickly, as explored in a dedicated video on the topic. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.